Hi, educators. In this video, I will show you how to share video audio during lectures in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so I went an entire semester without knowing that I could share the audio on videos embedded in my lesson during online lectures. So I figured I would make a quick video for those of you who, like me, had no idea that this was an option. So, I've already started a meeting in Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to select the share screen option in the top toolbar. Now, before you select the screen that you would like to share, notice the option to include computer sound. I completely looked over this for weeks. You will want to turn this option on before you share your screen, and then you will be able to share video audio with your students. Mind-blowing, I know. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to be notified of future videos.